What is up, YouTube world? This your girl Miss Style coming at you with my very first video and my very first pair of customs. I chose to do the Air Force One. This is the shoe before. And this is the final result. I chose the drip effect. As you can see, I am pleased with the results. Shout out to Angelus too. I got everything off Angelus.com. I'm very happy with the shoe, guys. The layers are perfect. I like what I see. So if you do too, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned because I'll be coming at you with more customs. So stay tuned.